weird stuff that. Oh, didn't know you guys were here. But while we're here, let's just make a quick video. Why not? What's up? It's your boy KeefSoSmoove, and I'm back with another video. A lot of you guys have been asking me to make a beard tutorial of what I do every day and how I get my beard to be this full and healthy. It only takes a few products, it doesn't take long at all. It's very, very simple, and I'm gonna show you in this video. Smash that like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and turn the notification bell on. And if you want a notification shout out, please leave a comment in the comment section letting me know your name and where you are from. Stay tuned. So before I start to do my beard care, I always shape up my beard, make sure it's sharp. I do this on a daily basis because it just makes you look very, very clean. Just getting the excess hair just makes it look very, very even, very, very sharp.
Me out the comments, leave me out of nonsense, speaking out of context. People need some content, niggas trying to keep up, shit is not a contest. Whipping bands concept, heaven sent, God sent, at least it's what my mom says. Proof is in the progress, money's not an object. See then a motherfucker, you know how my job.
Next, I just rinse my beard. I just want to make sure it's wet before I put the shampoo in so I can get a nice lathering. The beard wash I'm using is very, very cheap. It's $5. It's from Target. It's a Goodfellow brand. It smells nice and it makes my beard feel soft, so I love when it's time for me to clean my beard. When I apply it to my beard, I'm making sure that I'm rubbing it hard enough to where it's getting to the skin under my beard too, not just in the beard. You need to make sure that your face under your beard is getting moisturized as well. Next, I take about 2 minutes just to rinse all the shampoo out of my beard really good. It's kind of tough to get out, honestly, so just make sure you're taking enough time to make sure you're getting every inch of the shampoo out of your beard.
Speaking out of context, come with a classic. The ears are red, the penny.
This is actually a very important step. Please make sure you dry your beard out thoroughly. Your beard needs to be completely dry before you apply any of your products. Here's the beard butter I use from Target. It's called Maestro's. It's $12.99. They have different scents. They all smell good to me, so feel free to pick what you want. Before you apply it, make sure you rub it in both hands really well so you can get both sides of your beard. Also, just like when you're washing your face with the beard wash, just make sure you're pushing hard enough against your face so it's getting into the skin underneath your beard as well. Here are the two beard oils that I use. The one to the left is scented, the one to the right is unscented. I typically use the unscented beard oil because the beard butter that I use already has a fragrance, so it's better for me just to use the unscented one so there's not two scents clashing. Here's my wooded beard comb. It was $11.99 from Target as well. As you can see, I get all my things from Target. This is very, very, very important. This is mandatory when you are brushing your beard. It needs to be a wood comb, not plastic. I believe a plastic comb can damage your beard. I think the wood has more strength than plastic, so it can kind of like yank at your beard and it can damage your hair.
In the progress, money's not an object. See then a motherfucker, you know how my job get. Barking up the wrong tree, you know how the dogs get. Haven't fallen off yet. Come with a classic, they come around years later and say it's a sleeper.
Really quick, guys, I just wanted to let you guys know that it is very important to take care of your beard on a daily basis. You will definitely see a drastic difference in your beard as far as the shine, the healthiness, and the length. I've been on a few dates now with people where I've gotten compliments just from using the oil and the beard wax, and they just compliment on how like good it looks compared to when I didn't do it. It's really, really good. Highly suggest you guys to do this and take care of your beards daily. And also too, when you're around people and you're hugging people, and even when you're walking, you can just smell. Like, you got to think about it, your beard's near your nose, so you just smell good fragrances and smells all day. So this is very, very, very good for your beard and just for your day-to-day day. So guys, that concludes this video. Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment in the comment section below letting me know how I did. Let me know what you would like to see, what you have a question about, if there's any things that I missed in the video or things that you would like to know that I do other than what I showed you. Just leave a comment down below and I would love to create a video specifically for what your question is. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next video.